If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
So even my demo system is also not working today. I mean, it's showing some connection error.
Okay. Okay,
I'm
maybe
trying.
today we can do like this. I have some PDFs I collected for
Okay.
payroll. Can you check the way how I should go through those PDFs? Can we do that?
Okay,
At least you
sure.
can guide me like how to prepare. Means like you are showing everything practical way, right?
Correct.
So, but we need some like knowledge of like why we are doing all those things, right? Like kind of theory part also we should know. So
Correct.
I collected some, just see which are the right ones and what is the way from where I have to start.
Okay, sure.
Let me share my screen. Maybe this class, maybe we can do this part.
Okay.
At least you can guide me like how to start preparing.
Sure.
Because I'm in India, I'm not getting time at all. Yesterday morning, I left at 9:30, and by the time I came home, it was 10 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Because last days, right, Srinath? So we have to take care of so many things.
Correct.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm not even getting time even to refer also.
Okay.
So once when I go back, then I'll have enough time for everything.
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you. I created a folder, payroll folder. Okay, so this is all the payroll folder which I collected from Learning Hub.
Okay.
So it's like they give a journey, right? SAP journey.
Learning journey.
Learning journey, yeah. For payroll, from there I collected all the PDFs.
Okay.
So first it says
The best practices we can leave it now. Best practices doesn't provide any good information.
Okay. It's like best practices. Okay, that is best is like once when you learn, then you can see, right?
Once we have good experience and understanding of all systems, then you can go for best practices.
Okay. Okay, and then maybe best is like how the payroll processes in HCM. Do you think that will be correct, right?
That is that completely related to SAP HCM payroll process.
But
PA, OM, and all this. What are the business process will be taken care in OM and PA, configuration OM and PA, and how it will be connected to the payroll system. Now, how the integration will work and how payroll run from those modules.
Okay.
It is the complete payroll processes only taken care in HCM.
This one. Okay. Yes. So do you think this will be good to start with or no need?
No, I think if you have the understanding of SAP HCM, then we can skip this one also.
Okay. It just shows only like
payroll basics,
everything, and there is like a demo system also for this. Means like we can request for system also to do the exercises.
Yeah, it is SAP system. We will do in PA30 and PA20 transactions and running a payroll for those employees.
Okay, but just to get the idea, it's okay to do
it. It is okay. Yeah, it is okay. Just to get the idea of the basics of the employee master data and all the info types which are important for payroll and the time management and how to run the payroll.
Okay. So this is the one. Okay. And next one is like which one to go for? It's like this is configuration of master
data in HCM. This is also similar. It will also come under processes in HCM. But here you will configure all the actions and action types, I think. So configuration of master data is nothing but configuration of your action and action types. So which will be required for info types. So when we hire a new employee, so what are the sequence of info types to be executed?
Okay.
In PA40 hiring action, that configuration it will explain.
Okay. So it's like good to do this.
Yes. If you want to know the complete info types and actions and action types, action reasons, and how these will be integrated with the hiring action, then we can go with. So these two processes in HCM and configuration of master data completely related to the HCM only.
Okay. And
Before
this,
going with processes in HCM, you can check with the configuration of master data.
okay, so first do HR
Yeah,
305.
yeah.
Okay, let me write it down. Because what I feel is always like my way of learning is that's okay to take time, but just go in right way,
Right.
understand everything, not just like to get a job. Like when you go, you have to sustain job also, right? You need to have that proper understanding.
Correct.
What's going on. So first go with HR 305 because I'm like thinking at least to take 3 months to prepare thoroughly before applying for jobs.
Okay.
Yeah. So just go for HR 305, then go for HR 110, right?
Right.
Okay. Okay, so this is like same. It's HR 400, ERP, HCM, payroll. Let me
Can you open that?
Yeah. This was also part of that learning journey. They were showing like go first this, second this, like that.
Yeah, this is advanced topics. So they have mentioned all payroll basics, PCRs, and payroll initiation, waste of validation. This is advanced topics.
Okay, so no need right now.
No, not required now. Once we complete those two documents, then we can go with this documentation.
Okay, so HR 400, so advanced, not needed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Okay, so next comes this SuccessFactors EC payroll for administrators.
Administrator. This is not for the consultants. This is only for administrators. Yeah.
So we don't have to do this, right?
No, not required.
Unless if you get some like HRIS role, maybe we need this.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. 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 So this one is
Payroll control center.
Yeah.
This is not required.
Uh-huh.
Now, once you understand the first two documents, then we can go with payroll control center.
Okay, so this is also part of HCM.
This is, yeah. Configuration we will do in HCM only, complete all this. But the testing part, we can understand only once we are good in payroll processing. So once we run the payroll successfully for all, at least some employees, then we should understand how the payroll is executing in the backend. Then we can go and check with payroll control center, because this is completely automatic processing.
Okay.
So there is only one click payroll run. You don't need to run any transaction codes, anything. Completely system will do everything in the backend.
Okay.
So this is completely different topic.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Once we are thorough in payroll, understanding payroll concept, then we can come and check with payroll control center.
Okay. So this also not needed right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's a learning hub. Okay. So this is just ERP HCM overview. I don't know what is this. I think this is entire PAOM time and everything, I think, right?
No, it is completely about different modules in SAP HCM. It's
Yeah.
overview of different modules. HR renewal, SuccessFactors, and they are just giving an overview what are the different modules in SAP HR.
Okay. Okay. So this also no need, right?
Not required.
Okay. Okay. Next comes EC payroll config workbook. Oh, I think this is workbooks. I think when you implement at that time, we have to use this workbook, I think, right?
Updating the requirements.
Okay.
From the customer.
So what is this? So what is this? This is like
SuccessFactors. Platform Advanced Academy. Sure, what is that? I think it is maintaining about complete different modules in SuccessFactors.
Okay.
Yeah. document management, data models, extension center. This is an overview of the SuccessFactors platform. This is also
Okay.
not required for EC payroll.
So, okay. So only first two PDFs are required. All these
First
things
two
no
PDFs
need
are
right
required.
now.
Yeah.
Okay. Only these two, HR
Yes.
110 and HR 305.
Yes. After that, we can go with this one, payroll control center.
Payroll control center. Okay, this
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
HR head 65.
Yes.
Okay, so third one, go with HR head 65. So this covers success factors or no, right? This is only HCM part.
No, for payroll control center, there is nothing we can do in SuccessFactors.
Yes.
The
Yeah.
complete configuration only in HCM, but only the integration of payroll control center with the SuccessFactors. That is the only integration we will do.
Okay.
But the complete configuration and testing we can check in a HCM system only.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. SuccessFactors, what is the configuration required for payroll control center that I can show you in demo system. The real-time integration is not possible.
Okay.
But the exact functionality, how it will work in Employee Central or SuccessFactors system, the payroll control center, how it will work in the real time, that I can show in the during the configuration and testing.
Okay.
The
So-
only the integration part is not we cannot see because the demo system is not available.
Okay. Okay. So, but there is nothing to do any PDFs to prepare.
Oh, actually, if you go with PDF, you don't understand anything in payroll control center. So we need to check in the system only.
Okay. Okay.
We need to practice lot. We need to at least practice continuously for 1 month. Then only we can understand payroll control center.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But if we understand this, then it's easy to. If you go to documents, then we can understand what they have mentioned in the documentation.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Like HR 305 and HR 110, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, but all these three are related to SAP HCM.
HCM only.
Is there any document that shows how we process from SuccessFactors front end? Means that mapping data like from this system to that system. Is there any PDF for that which shows all the mappings?
No, there is no PDF for that one. I think there is one course in Learning Hub only.
Okay.
SuccessFactors, Employee Central Payroll.
Okay. Okay, let me see. I should have even that also. Let me see. Maybe this one, I think. Is this the one? Okay, this is 305. 305, 400. Is this
Implementing
one
that
payroll
is
time?
time data. That is for payroll.
Point to point. We learned this one also, right?
Yeah, this one also.
Okay.
But this is for time off. There is one more document, right? It is showing as PTP. Last document, last one. Second one. Yeah, last second.
Last, this one?
Yeah.
That is okay. Implementing PTP time data. Point to point replication, right?
Point to point replication. Yes.
Okay, so we need this one also.
So it is for consultants. Like you can use this document as a reference
Okay.
for implementation of a employee central payroll. This
Okay.
will provide all the steps in detail.
Okay, so the one we are learning right now.
Yeah, one we are saying. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So in this one, after doing that 3 books, so which one I should go first after doing that 3 books?
Yeah, you can check with the ECP, that P2P. Yes, SF, ECP, and BTP.
This one?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, the fourth one to refer is SF.
No, you can check this as third. You can leave the payroll control center. That is not required. Once you understand this EC point-to-point replication, then you can check control center also.
Okay.
However, the payroll control center is also a part of in this document also they have provided documentation.
Okay.
Separate document is not required. It is included in this document only.
Okay. So first go with this one.
Yes.
ECPTP.
Yeah.
Point to point. Okay.
In the same document only they have provided PCC also. Payroll control center documentation also it is included.
Okay. 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 Okay, so no need of the third one.
Yeah.
So just do HR 305, then HR 110, then go to this one, third.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. And then fourth, we
And
need
time,
even time also,
data,
right?
time data.
Okay, implementing PTP time data replication, point to point.
Yes.
Implementing PTP time data replication. Okay. So this one, okay. What is this SAP Payroll Control Center using Manage Configuration UI?
That is an advanced, recently released functionality of SAP Payroll Control Center. So this is the document. It will show how to, how to do this configuration in Employee Central in SuccessFactors.
Okay, so we need this one also, right?
Yeah, we can refer this, and you can refer this in the last document.
Last one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so fifth one should be SAP Payroll Control. Using Manage Configuration UI. Okay. And what is this? Oh, these are the connections which you told me? SNC based SAP router.
That will be taken care by basis consultants.
Okay, okay.
So how to set up the router and everything that will be in SAP and basis team.
Okay. And what is this HREM 117? Oh, it's HCM overview.
Yeah.
And this Kronos is what, like third-party time system, right?
Yeah, Kronos is third-party time application. So where the time data will be replicating to Employee Central Payroll.
So if they don't use SAP time, if they use Kronos, then we have to do that. Oh, okay, okay. 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 I think that's mostly we have to do like five PDFs.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So if you, one thing I want to ask Srinath, if you do try 100%, do you think people will be able to understand this?
Which one?
Means if you try
yeah, definitely.
go
it's
through,
simple.
yeah, means sometimes few topics will be like this. However you try, they don't, some people will be able to understand, some of them they won't be able to understand. So if you give your 100% and if a person is like kind of like average understanding, can they do it?
Yeah, the problem here is payroll is only the payroll part is complex. Okay.
Okay.
The payroll part is means nothing but your the calculations, different types of calculation, taxes, absences, overtime. There are number of concepts are there in the payroll. So if you compare, then it's not possible for any consultant to understand all concepts.
Yeah, yeah.
At least if we are good enough to work on 70% of requirements, then it is, we can say anyone can do it. 100% no one can do it because of the SAP has a very powerful engine.
Yes, yeah, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, SuccessFactors Employee Central is very easy. And comparing to SAP HR, Employee Central is very easy.
Yeah, it's easy. Yeah.
And the data replication from Employee Central to EC payroll is also very easy. So
Mhm.
whatever I'm telling is just we need to do mapping. So any
Okay.
consultant will do it in 1 day, 2 days enough for completing that configuration.
For
But
mapping.
yeah, for mapping, maximum in 1 week we can set up the integration between Employee Central and Employee Central payroll.
Okay.
We can make the system run.
Okay.
But after that, the real work starts. The configuration of payroll control center or the configuration of payroll part. The
That one
different
also, you will be teaching me that also, right?
yeah, that will also I will teach.
That's the main thing,
That's
right?
the main thing. These are
Oh.
simple. Anyone can understand and anyone can do. But running the payroll, understanding the payroll schemas and rules, that is
the tough
most
one.
consultants will suffer.
Okay.
That is we need to put more efforts to understand those configurations and testing. We need to do a lot of testing in that.
Okay. So for us, only right to do that, if we have HCM, that's good enough, right?
That's good enough. Yeah.
The one which they gave. So
Yes.
I have to ask them to activate again, like for a few more months.
Yeah.
Okay. I will do that today. As soon as our call is done, I will send email. Yesterday also I thought of doing it and I forgot.
Okay.
Yeah, today, right now, once class is done, I will email them to get those credentials active again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are looking to run only for US country payroll, right?
Yeah, because I stay there, right? So
Yeah.
it will be like only for US payroll. Yeah.
Okay. But
Yeah.
here the problem with US payroll is there is a third party integration is required for US payroll.
Okay.
The taxation part we can learn, but it's not like that results are correct.
Okay.
So we can see the end-to-end payroll process, but the taxation part only it's in the US. BSI is a third-party application. It's a federal government, I think, agency. So which
Okay.
will provide the taxation rules and regulations.
Uh-huh.
So in real-time scenario, we have integration with the BSI system.
BSI tax. Okay.
Yeah. But here also we can see, but the taxation part only the real results will be not correct, but and we can understand how this taxation will work.
Okay. So have you worked on this BSI tax?
Yeah, BSI tax. Yeah, I worked on. We need to do some configuration also. Complete configuration we have to set up.
Okay.
How that for the taxability models, there are different taxation parts, taxability models and tax models. You have to set up all the wage types also.
Okay.
But only the data will go to BSI and tax will calculate there, and it will come back to again SAP only in real time.
Real time. Okay.
Data will go to BSI, tax data will go to BSI, and the taxation will be calculated there, and it will come back to SAP.
So in the payroll control center itself, the tax will go to that BSI.
Correct.
It's calculated and comes again for processing in the payroll control center, right?
Correct.
Oh, okay.
So
Because
only that one. Yeah.
When I was like applying for EC, lot of people are there with Employee Central.
Yes.
So, and that too, the market is down, and for each job, at least like 120 applications on LinkedIn.
Oh.
So, and employers also, they had a lot of options, right? Too many people are applying.
Right.
So get into the market, you have to learn something unique where there are like less people, right? Then it's easy to get into it.
Yes.
And if you see payroll part, so too many, like you can see, like there is like a job advertisement, but you see only 5 applications. That's it.
Okay.
So, and not much people are there who knows EC payroll. Very less people are there.
Yeah, EC payroll, the most people suffer, don't understand the payroll concept. I mean, running the payroll.
Yeah.
So if we put 100% effort, then we can learn. It's not
that's what.
Tough job.
Because like few of them will be like very intelligent. I'm not like that person. I am like kind of like okay, I understand. Good. I work hard a lot.
Okay.
I'm not like super intelligent where I can get it easily. It's not like that.
Okay.
But I'm above average, but I try hard from my side.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm like, if I put efforts also, whether I'll get it or not, that's my question.
No, it's possible only. No
Okay.
issues. Even
Okay.
I was average only, but I practiced like anything. I was sitting for 10 hours first to
Oh,
learn only this SAP payroll.
okay. No, once when you get into it, like your life
Yeah,
is set. There's
correct.
like no look back at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've seen my husband, right? He's in SAP FICO consultant.
Yeah, that is also good module.
Yeah, it's very good. He is in the market from almost 20 years.
Oh,
Yeah. So he is like very good in it.
yes. The problem with SAP HCM is the payroll.
Oh,
So
okay.
payroll, there is if you work on one country, it's not enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Some clients expect to know multiple countries like
Oh.
US or UK and Australia.
Mhm.
So we cannot learn all these country payrolls at a time. So once you understand one country payroll enough, we can understand another country payroll easily.
Yes, yes, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Same info types, same data, but only the different is taxation.
Oh, okay, okay.
The tax will be different for country to country, but the configuration is same info types and the same data, same work.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that is the only difference. But yeah, if you learn US payroll, then it's easy to understand any other country payroll.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I did SAP HCM also almost like 12 years back.
Okay.
Yeah, so I did certification also at that time, but I
Okay.
got a break because of my kids.
Okay.
I had twins and I
Mhm.
couldn't. So first priority comes kids, right?
Correct.
So that's why I got like eight years break in between.
Okay.
So now they are a little bit school going.
Okay.
So I'm like, okay, I'll start my career. So that's why like I have like, I stopped everything. I did not touch books, anything like for 8 years. Just now like from 1 year back, I started this
Okay.
easy and everything. So, but I tried to apply for jobs, but 3 to 4 jobs, they came till end and later on they selected someone else because real experience is different, right? However, you
Yes.
can say
Correct.
real experience. They were okay with me.
Yeah.
But they have chosen some other because they are like more better.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that happens.
Yeah. So it's like from Paramount Pictures, those
Mhm.
people,
Okay.
and even Valvoline also. I came
Okay.
last round, I came.
Okay.
So they had to choose others. And after that, even the jobs also, there were not that many. So at that time, like my husband was telling, no, learn something which is unique so that they will not have any other option to take, to take than not to take.
Okay.
So he was telling when he did his college, after that, he did SAP FICO, but many people were there in finance.
Yes.
So even he applied like for 1 year, he couldn't get it like that. At that time, controlling, no one was there.
Okay.
So he did controlling. With that, he was able to enter into the market.
Market. Yes.
So that's why he said, do something where there are less people, then it's easy to get into market.
Okay. Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
So now you also knowing as SuccessFactors Employee Central, right?
Yeah, now what I'm going to do is I did not apply anything from last 2 months because I'm in India.
Okay.
So once when I go back, I will apply Employee Central. While applying that and giving interviews, I will learn payroll.
Okay.
So if I get in Employee Central, I'll take that job if I get it. If not, I'm going to give like at least 3 to 4 months for this payroll. I'll prepare. Then I will try to apply with the CC payroll.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's my plan.
So for EC payroll, if you are applying for EC payroll, then you should know the payroll control center.
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah.
So that is very much added advantage. So a lot of people
HCM payroll, right? How the payroll processes. Yeah.
Correct.
So that's why when with ZaranTech also, before you, they introduced like 2 to 3 other people also, but they were some of them, they did not had experience with US payroll, and so they said no, because I was like very particular that I'm ready to learn. I want the perfect person to teach me. Yeah, so that's why like after like 1 month of waiting, then finally they introduced you. Because I told them like I know EC part I know, HCM part also I have understanding, but that payroll processing where you do PCR and schemas, I need more explanation, because the other things you can learn and you can do it, but this part you need proper explanation, right?
Correct. We need some.
Yeah, so that's the reason I was like very particular that I need to learn HCM payroll part. Yeah.
Even for PCRs and schemas, there is no documentation available. And
PCR and schemas.
SAP is not providing good documentation on those concepts.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the problem with payroll, PCRs and schemas.
Okay.
But it's easy only, but there are multiple lot of configuration is there for payroll, PCRs and schemas.
Okay.
But we need to go very slowly for that. I mean,
we'll take time and we will go slowly. If required, we'll ask them extra hours also. But thing is like once when we start, it's better to learn properly, right?
Correct.
Yeah, it's not like just you said something and I heard something. It's not like that. So when I go back, I will give proper time. Here, however I wanted, I'm not able to give time at all. It's like, it's not in our hands when we are in India.
Yes.
Time will just go away like anything. Yeah. Okay. So
now you only need payroll, right? Time evaluation is not required. I can just show the configuration of absences and unpaid absences.
Okay. Yeah, everything that relates to that SFEC payroll.
Yeah.
No need of saying PA, OM, time and all those things. Just whatever it is needed for EC payroll part. Yeah. So means
because like payroll time data both are integrated. So we just need to have 50% knowledge and time off, like absences and attendances or unpaid absences and overtime. So how this will be processed in a payroll part, that I can show. And the remaining part in payroll, complete payroll process and PCRs and schemas.
Okay. And that time part also, if you show me any PDF, I can just, if you give introduction, I can read the book also.
For those time configuration, right? Yeah, there is one course in employees learning about the time evaluation, I think.
Time evaluation. Okay. So that time also it's from HCM, right?
Yeah, HCM only.
Okay, because SuccessFactors time is totally different module.
Yeah, that is different module. Time management, time sheet, and time tracking.
Because in EC we have an option of leave of absence. That's it.
Yeah, that is only leave of absence.
Yeah, that is very simple. It's very easy.
It's easy, but even EC time off is also there. So we need to configure EC time off is there, time sheet and time tracking also is recently SuccessFactors released time tracking.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. I just learned in EC time off related only, like you can assign time off, like how employee like is eligibility for that time off, and you assign a business rules according to that they will get time off. Everyone has like different set of eligibility, right?
Right.
So only that part I know. Leave of absence. Yeah.
Okay.
It's like how to do business rules and how to apply leave of absence for
absence. Okay.
Yeah, employees. Only that part I know.
Yeah, EC time off is also there, but most of the clients are not using it, I think.
Okay.
In US now, in US the workday is also in good demand. Correct?
Yes. Like I am like, even when I was about to learn this EC after that break, so at that time I think ZaranTech They said about why not you take Workday, because
Okay.
even that is in demand. But from starting, somehow I'm like, I have like interest with SAP only.
Yes, yes.
Because that was my earlier study also, right? I finished it. When I did my certification at that time, it's like not that many people with certifications. It was very tough at that time. I was in US at that time. So I traveled to a different state and I gave exam.
Okay.
So at that time, these online exams were not there.
Okay.
So you have to go to exam center and you have to write exam.
Correct.
Yeah. So I like that. At that time only I did it. So
Okay.
I have that interest with SAP. It's very interesting application.
Yeah, it's very interesting. Comparing to Workday is also like now it's good demand, but I'm not sure the payroll is strong in SAP comparing to Workday.
And yeah, somehow like I like this one only. I'm like, even though they gave that Workday option, I'm like, no, I want to stick with this SAP only.
Okay.
Because I did, and I know how interesting it will be. Like if you touch system, you can sit like for 6 to 7 hours also.
Correct.
Getting bored.
But yeah, right.
And at the same time, if you don't do, it will evaporate everything.
Everything. Correct.
Yeah, it's like that. So because you need to have interest, right? Before you do it, anything, that interest should be there. If not, it's hard to focus.
Right.
So that's why I'm like, no, let's stick with SAP only. And I did this SuccessFactors EC.
Okay. So now the market is okay in US, correct?
Yeah, I think because with me, one more girl was there. Even she applied, she got a job.
Okay.
She was telling that you need to come and apply because slowly it started employing, but she got a job as a HRIS, like as an admin.
Okay.
But at least I said it's good. At least you're seeing real system and how it works. Maybe like 1 year or 2 years you can stay. If you like it, you can stay. If not, again, she can come back to consulting, right?
Consulting, yes.
Yeah. So that's why I have to go back and start applying.
Okay.
Yeah. So are you from Hyderabad?
Yeah, I am nearby Hyderabad. It's 3 hours from Hyderabad. Kurnool.
Oh, Kurnool. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I am from Hyderabad. I stay in Dilshuk Nagar.
Dilshuk Nagar. Okay.
Yeah. Mostly our people are there, right? In teaching?
Yes, correct.
All Telugu people only, right?
All Telugu people only.
Yeah, yeah. I know by seeing names and even the way we talk, we can understand that we are all Telugu only.
Telugu only. Correct.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
Only we lot of institutes are there only in Hyderabad only.
Yes, yes. If you go to Amirpet, it's like if you want to know like what is like going on right now, which is in the market, you have to go to Amirpet.
Correct. All flexis will be there.
Will be there. Yes, yes. So sometimes when we go, we just remember those days, like before 10, 12 years, how it is. Yeah, it's just like, it's nice. Yeah. Before marriage, one type of life will be there. After marriage, one type of life will be there.
Yeah, after kids, there will be no life.
Yes, that's true. Are you married? You have kids?
Yeah, I have 2 kids. One girl and one boy.
Oh, okay. Even for me also, they are twins, one boy and one girl.
Okay.
Are in like, they are going to 7th grade.
Oh, my kids are still LKG and that boy is still 1.5 years.
Oh, okay. So I waited till they are like almost elementary school is done.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I got like 8 years break before that and this.
Okay.
So yeah, now they are into their own, so no need to go behind them much.
Correct.
Now I'm like a little bit free. So
free. Okay.
This is the time for me to start again.
Yeah. So it will take 3 months at least to understand all these things. Yeah, then.
Yeah. That's what I don't want to hurry. Because I'll keep applying in EC only. Yeah. Once when I'm comfortable, then I'll go. I'll give 3 months to prepare myself, give certification exam, and then I will try to apply in payroll. Yeah.
So once you go into EC, most of the consultants, they will never get chance in working with EC payroll.
Okay,
So you
okay.
need to show the experience in EC payroll, then only they will.
Yes, I'm going to tailor my resume according to that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because if you do EC, they will not give you, right? That's the
Right.
problem.
Yeah.
I'm like ready to take a small job without any experience, but without experience, no one will be willing to take. So there is no other way, right?
There is no other way.
This kind of experiences.
Correct.
If someone is taking the one with zero experience, then people will be okay.
Okay. Yes.
If no one is there, we don't have option to. We have to put fake experience, right?
Correct. Yes.
Yeah, there is no other option.
Because payroll, no one will teach. It's a very tough. No one will get experience directly in payroll. So someone should provide. Otherwise, they will show fake experience on them.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay, Srinath. Let's meet tomorrow again at 7:30. Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.